and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I did a poll last night over on Instagram, and by let me see, let's have a look, shall we? 80% of you guys requested a makeup tutorial. 80% of you guys, wow, that is crazy. So I did a beautiful kind of gold, sunset orange look using the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette from her Vault collection. I absolutely love this palette. I mean, the colors are just fantastic. They're beautiful and it's just amazing. So stay tuned if you want to see how to get this look. So to start off this look, I'm going to be taking my MAC paint pot in Painterly, and I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. This is from her Vault collection, and I absolutely love these colors. I mean, hello, they're just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to be taking two orange shades. I'm going to be taking the shade Rush and the shade Alert, and I'm going to be mixing the two together, and I'm going to be applying that to my crease. I'm going to be using windshield wiper motions to blend out the color. Tap off. First thing I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be doing a dabbing motion. And this method prevents fallout, and I learnt this method from Nikki Tutorials. Taking more of the Alert color, I'm just going to darken my crease just a smidge, very, very lightly. See how I did? See, it starts off dark and then it gradually goes nice and light and blends out. That's what I wanted. It's kind of like gradient effect. This looks really pretty. Okay. Now that the creases are done, I'm going to be taking some concealer, and I'm going to apply that to my eyelids. Kind of like a cut crease. Yeah, kind of like that. So let's take a little bit of concealer. Now, I've only just started doing this in the last maybe couple of months. I'm not good at it, but I'm still practicing, still learning. So I just thought I'd give it a go. Why not? And I find it does seem to help help your eyeshadows stay on longer. So that's always good. So I'm just going to lightly. Like that. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the shade Lolly, which I absolutely love this shade. Oh my gosh, if Jaclyn ever created a single shade, made this into a single shadow, I would buy a ton of them. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the shade Lolly. It's my favorite. That and Bomb Ass. Those two are my favorite. So beautiful. It's just beautiful orangey red color. It's just, oh, it's fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. So I'm just going to wet my brush a little bit using the Rimmel London hashtag Insta Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. If you have not tried this, I recommend it. It smells like cucumbers. Like, I kid you not, you guys. This smells like cucumbers and it is fantastic. You can use it, as I said, as a primer, or you can use it as a setting spray. It's absolutely amazing and it keeps your makeup lasting all day long, and I really, really like it. And I bought backups of it. I bought heaps of backups of it. And it's just fantastic. Oh, it smells like cucumbers, and I love the smell of cucumbers. It smells refreshing and just, fabulous. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna have to use my finger for this. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, I'm also gonna take Ball Mask as well. I'm gonna put that on. Oh, I just love this color. It is beautiful. Oh, it's my favorite. It's just so pretty. It's like a sunset. You know, it's just so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna take Ball Mask. I'm gonna use my brush. Load that up. And I'm just gonna put that on. See? So it kind of does like a little kind of gradient effect. It's just so pretty. Oh, I just love it. Just love it. Okay, now I'm going to be taking a smaller brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade Alert and Rush Again, and we're going to apply that to our lower lash line. I'm going to do Rush first, and if you have if you have trouble applying shadow to your lower lash line, I have an amazing trick. Just stare at the mirror and apply. That's it. You literally having like a staring contest with yourself in front of the mirror. Just this. Back and forth. You're good to go. Okay. And I'm going to take the shade Alert. I'm going to just apply it on the outer corner. And I'm going to stop halfway because I don't want to bring it in too close to my eyes. So I'm only doing it halfway. Like that. So you can still see that beautiful orange, the light orange as well, so it's kind of like a gradient, kind of like an ombre. It's just really pretty. I'm just going to take another brush real quick. I'm just going to... And this brush is from Real Techniques. I don't know what it's called. The label's rubbed off. This one's just from Napoleon Purtis. Okay, now that the eyes are done, I'm going to apply some bronzer. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Indian Sun. This is my favorite bronzer. It really is. It's my go-to. It's my favorite. I've tried a lot of bronzers. I've tried bronzers from Rimmel London. I've tried the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I like that one, but this one I love. It is absolutely gorgeous. I need to get a new one soon. I'll be due for one soon. Due for another one because I'll be running out of this one soon, but this has lasted me months. Like months and months and months. And I love it. So pretty, and it comes in a whole bunch of shades, like a bunch of different shades. This one is really good if you're a fair complexion, and it's very buildable, and it's just beautiful. And they have like I said, a whole bunch of other shades at Sephora, because Rihanna did come out with like a bunch of them, and it's just they're just beautiful, and they're so easy to blend. They're very buildable. As you can see, I'm just lightly building this up so it doesn't look too overdone or too crazy or anything like that. Okay, now that's done. I'm going to take some blush. For blush, I'm going to be using, if I can find it, there's the highlighter. For blush, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution blush palette. These are amazing. They are insanely pigmented. Like, you don't need a lot. A little goes a very long way. Like, it really does. So I'm going to take something like a pinky, like an orange look. I'm going to take like a pink blush. Very, very lightly. Mix it with one of the lighter shades, I think. Actually, no, I don't think I will. I'll mix it with the light pink. Mix it with this one. So those two mix together. I just want a very subtle light pink on my cheeks because the eyes are pretty intense. I don't want it to be too overdone. But yeah, like I said, these are very pigmented. I used this shade on Halloween for a look. Oh man, was it pigmented? I'm just gonna use a little bit of that. Just blend it in. But it was pigmented. Just see? They're very, very pigmented. They're just beautiful. So if you haven't tried this palette, you can get this at Priceline. I think it was about 15 bucks. Yeah, really inexpensive. And you get a whole bunch of blushes. Really good. Right, I'm just going to take my face brush again and just blend it out so it's not too harsh. Okay, now I'm going to take the Sphinx highlighting palette from Makeup Revolution. This is amazing palette. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to take, where's my highlighting brush? There it is. So I'm going to take probably this pink one. Maybe the pink one. Ooh, it's so hard to choose. Okay, no, we're going to go with the this one down here mixed with this gold one. So I mix those two together. A little bit of the light one. Now I'm just going to set everything before I apply my mascara. I find that helps, and it doesn't have doesn't make my mascara go everywhere. Now I'm going to take some mascara. I'm going to take the Model CO mascara in Power Lash Black. It's just Power Lash Black mascara. It's really pretty. I got this in one of my Bella boxes. Just gonna take the e.l.f. Waterproof Length and Volume Mascara as well. Look how cute this wand is. I mean, it's really, really cute. Going to put a nude liner on my waterline. Highlight my brow bone. I'm going to take from the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. I'm going to take the shade Lynn. And I'm just going to apply that to my brow bone because it's just a very beautiful colour and it matches my skin tone. Oh, so I'm going to take some lipstick. I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay Matting in Poet number 60. This is a beautiful I just got a little distracted from the highlighter. It's just absolutely beautiful. Okay, there you have it, guys. There is this beautiful, I would call this like a sunset gold, like orange look. It's just absolutely beautiful. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you recreate this look, tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is linked down below. It's just my name, Kira-jade Spencer. So yeah, if you do create this look, please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your recreation. Sorry, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful. Bye guys. Love you. Mwah. Bye bye guys.